Hi, welcome to Jurisedge Academy's YouTube channel. आज के वीडियो में we will talk about part 2 of December 2022 cases. This is a compilation of case laws specially for CLAT PG examination. So if you're appearing for this, do check out our other videos as well. Before we start, we have a Telegram channel, the link for which is in the description box, where we post daily MCQs with respect to LLM entrance exams. So do check it out as well. अब start करते हैं वीडियो से and let's discuss the first important case in this month. So we have the judgment in Kamla Neti versus Special Land Acquisition Officer, a very important two-judge bench case जहाँ पे Supreme Court Section 2 Clause 2 of Hindu Succession Act को interpret कर रहे थे. In this case, the Supreme Court held that a female member of the scheduled tribe is not entitled to any right of survivorship under the provisions of Hindu Succession Act because of Section 2 Clause 2. In this case, the Supreme Court has requested the central government to look into this matter as the female tribal is entitled to parity with the male tribal in intestate succession. But because the Supreme Court was bound by the interpretation of Section 2 Clause 2, this is why they could not grant the relief in this case. Coming to the second important judgment, we have the case of Kerala State Electricity Board versus Thomas Joseph alias Thomas MJ. In this another important two-judge bench case, the Supreme Court had discussed the limitations of delegated legislation. So this case is important for administrative law, जहाँ पे court ने discuss किया कि when is a delegated legislation ultra vires the Parent Act and what is the consequence of it. So the court held that a delegated legislation which is ultra vires the Parent Act cannot be given any effect. So the rules or regulation cannot be made to supplant the provision of the Enabling Act, but only to supplement it. Before we move further, we have an announcement with respect to our courses. So अगर आप CLAT PG के लिए prepare कर रहे हैं, so check out our Foundation and Growth Hack Batch courses, जहाँ पे you'll be provided all the important material, all recent relevant judgments, mock tests, and much more. Now coming to the third important case, we have the judgment of Deshraj versus Rohtash Singh. In this important two-judge bench court decision, the Supreme Court has held that unless a plaintiff specifically seeks the refund of the earnest money at the time of filing of suit or later by way of an amendment, such kind of relief cannot be granted to him under Section 22 of the Specific Relief Act. So it's an important judgment on Section 22 of Specific Relief Act, जहाँ पे कोर्ट ने clarify किया कि courts suo moto refund of earnest money grant नहीं कर सकते unless it has been specifically pleaded at the start of the suit or later by way of an amendment. Coming to the last important judgment for December, we have the case of Maharashtra State Board versus Sheikh Yusuf Bhai Chabla. In this case, the Supreme Court has reiterated that existence of an alternate remedy by itself cannot exclude the writ jurisdiction of the High Court. कोर्ट ने क्लैरिफाई किया है कि एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल रेमेडी जो आर्टिकल 226 के अंदर अवेलेबल है, दिस कैनॉट बी बार्ड और एक्सक्लूडेड just because there is an alternate remedy available. So this brings us to the end of our monthly update. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.